Today I'm going to share with you how to add dramatic colors to your images by using special blend modes in Photoshop. Click on the adjustment layer icon right there and choose solid color. Select a color of your choice. In my opinion, I really like this cyanish color, so let's go ahead and select this color and hit OK. Now choose any of the special 8 blend modes. Now these special 8 blend modes react differently to opacity and fill. So for this example, let's go ahead and choose hard mix. I know it doesn't look right. If you decrease the opacity, it doesn't make sense. However, if you decrease the fill, it starts making sense and it controls the projection. So let's set that to about 20% for the water, but for the clouds, it's becoming too much. So you can use masks here. You can select the mask and with the help of gradient, just apply it to the water. And for the sky, you can just make a copy of this one by pressing Ctrl or Command J and then invert the mask. Select the mask, press Ctrl or Command I, and then decrease the fill for the sky. And there you go. Here's another example using the same technique. Here's the before, here is the after.